So yeah, I'm gonna be taking a pause from my main YouTube channel because unfortunately I need a Stripe account to start running my coaching business because PayPal doesn't have a feature whereby if I onboard a client, the client can pay me a reoccurring fee. It only allows me to sell maybe like digital products or a one-time purchase for my coaching business. And as a coaching business, it's not a one-time thing. It's like a recurring monthly thing because you're offering them like valuable information each and every single month or every week or whatever the case may be. So with my coaching business, I will be charging a recurring fee, and unfortunately, PayPal doesn't have that feature. So I need to use Stripe. And yeah, the reason I don't know, or the reason why I can't use Stripe right now is because I'm from South Africa, and apparently Stripe doesn't support third world countries unless I create an LLC from the US or I create a limited company from the UK so that I can start my coaching business on Payhip. But that's not a train smash because I also sell digital products. So I'm going to, focus on that. Then if I find a valid solution, then I'll create a Stripe account so that I can start with my coaching business because it needs a lot of, some investment. I think I was watching a video told me about like $80 to $100 to do that, which is not bad, honestly. But I'm like, you know what? Let me just take a pause right now because I'm focusing on too many things at once. I want to create my coaching business. I want to sell digital products and stuff like that. So let me just start by selling digital products. And since now also PayHip has announced their marketplace, it's gonna be easier for me to make sales. But also, I'm gonna also promote my digital products to my audience because I'm not gonna rely on PayHip to do the marketing for me because maybe they can be slow or not everyone can find what they're looking for. So with also me promoting my own digital products to my target audience, it's gonna be easier like that. Then push comes to shove, um, my digital products rank maybe in the top 10 or top 20 in the online business niche because that's the niche I focus on. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking a pause from my coaching business because I've actually filmed a bunch of videos walking everyone or walking through everything that I'm doing like to set up my coaching business. But when it came to the pricing section, it said in order to do a subscription based payment processing thingy, I need a Stripe account. And when I checked, South Africa is not there on the list of people, like, is not on the list where I can create a Stripe account. I need to go via third party. Maybe I create an LLC from the US or partner up with a limited company in the UK. So, yeah, I'm not gonna waffle too much. Let me I'm gonna focus on selling digital products and yeah, just build up my digital product store once again because I'm currently selling one digital product on how to land high paying clients for like $37. And to be honest, I don't think it's it's worth selling that video course for $37 because the amount of value that is in there, it's kind of, OP. Not a lot of people, or I don't think anyone has spoken about what that video course talks about in any YouTube channel or any YouTube video on the internet. So I might raise the prices when I start creating or I customize my digital store again. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking a pause from that and build my digital product store. Then we'll see how we go around this thing of people from third world countries cannot use Stripe. So, yeah, man.